In order to write a post on LinkedIn, I'm going to show you how to do it on your personal profile, but I'm also going to show you how to schedule posts on your business profile as well, for those of you that have a business profile. Okay, so again, if you are watching this live, do give us a thumbs up, and let me know if you've got any questions, even if you're watching this on catch up. So what we do then to schedule posts on LinkedIn is we go to write a normal post like we would normally be doing. Okay, so I'm gonna copy some text that I've done here. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, so write your text in here as you normally would. Okay, so pop that in there. So I've just written some in Word, I've just copied it in, but you just write your content in here. Again, don't forget to put your hashtags in there, and don't forget to tag people in. Okay, let me just tag people in. Okay. Right, so once you're happy with the text, add your images. So again, pop your images from your computer on here. Select whichever ones that you want to showcase. Okay, let's open these up. Again, when you are happy with these, just pop them in there. I'm just going to move that one to the top. Again, if you want to tag people in, pop it in there. Okay, then click next. So now it's loading up the images. We're happy with those. So the thing that we want to do now is we want to click on this little clock here at the bottom. This is where you schedule your posts in LinkedIn. So you just click the little clock, select whatever date you want it to go out. So let's do it for tomorrow. Pop in the time. So you select whatever time that you want to pop this in, want it to appear on your LinkedIn. Pop it in there, and then you just click next. Okay, and all of a sudden you will see here that the button at the bottom says schedule. So we're not posting this live now, we are scheduling it. So we just click schedule. Okay, and that will schedule it in. Now you can schedule in multiple posts to go out in the future. It's perfect when there's breaks coming up like Christmas and you don't want to log on and think about LinkedIn. You can schedule posts in advance to go out whilst you're away. The other thing that you can do is if you have a business page, so this again is my business page now, we can do exactly the same thing on your business page. So again, you're going to pop your text in this box here. Okay, pop the text in here, and pop that in there. And then you want to add your images. That's already come through as an image, so I'm not going to add that image on there. Again, all you do, exactly the same thing, is you just click schedule for later. Okay, I'll pop that out on Wednesday. You might want to do it a little bit earlier, so you can select whatever time you want. Okay, so I'm just going to schedule my next LinkedIn workshop to promote a promotion post ready for next year. I'm going to schedule it to go out on Thursday. So we just click next. So again, it shows you your image just like you would normally write a post, and you click schedule. Now, that's all very well, isn't it, when you've scheduled your post, but where on earth do you find them? What if you decide, actually, I don't want that to go out next week? Or, oh my goodness, I put the wrong date on there. Or, have I actually scheduled that post? I can't remember. So basically, all we need to do to find your scheduled posts, it's not very obvious on LinkedIn, but to find the post that you've scheduled on LinkedIn, all you need to do is click select a post here. And then what you do is you just click back into the clock. Okay. And here you have view all scheduled posts. Okay. So all you need to do is click onto that, and there you go. These are a list of your scheduled posts. Okay, so they're all here. It's not very intuitive, but that's where you find your scheduled posts. You can then go back into these, edit your post, modify the schedule. Now, the only thing you need to bear in mind is you can't change the images. You can't change the photos. You can edit the text, okay, but you can't actually change the photos. So that's just something to bear in mind when you are doing that. But you can edit it here. So I might want to make sure this tag's working. Make sure that's working, and then again just click schedule. So that's how you schedule a post on LinkedIn using this little clock button. That's how you view all your scheduled posts on LinkedIn, and it's exactly the same for your business profile and your personal profile. So again, if this has been really useful, please do give us a thumbs up. Please ask any questions in the chat, okay? And the most important thing as well is if you need more help and support with LinkedIn, I do have a workshop coming up in the new year. So please do have a look. I'll pop the link in the chat. I have an in-depth workshop where I'm going to teach you how to generate leads and a prospecting strategy on LinkedIn and help you with your LinkedIn content as well. So please do have a look. It'd be great to join you. It is a small workshop for 10 people and it's only £225 for the whole month. We come together each week and do a bit of drip feeding of content and training and work together to improve our LinkedIn presence. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that's been helpful. Please do give us a thumbs up and follow me on social media for more tips and advice. Thanks, guys. Bye.